Close your eyes for just a moment and breathe. Tonight we walk together through one of the most beloved passages ever written. Words that have comforted millions across thousands of years. Words that remind us we are never alone. This is Psalm 23. The Lord is my shepherd. I shall lack nothing. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside still waters. He restores my soul. He guides me in the paths of righteousness for His name's sake. Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for You are with me. Your rod and Your staff, they comfort me. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil. My cup runs over. Surely, goodness and loving kindness shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the Lord's house forever. Let those words settle into your heart. David wrote this psalm not from a palace, but from the fields. He knew what it meant to watch over sheep in the wilderness, to protect them from wolves, to guide them to water when they were thirsty, to carry them when they were too weak to walk. And David knew something even deeper, that he was the sheep, and God was his shepherd. Maybe tonight you feel like you're walking through that valley, the valley of the shadow, where the light is dim and the path is uncertain, where fear whispers that you're all alone. But listen, the psalm doesn't say if you walk through the valley. It says even though, because valleys are part of the journey. Shadows are real, but so is the shepherd. And He doesn't send you through alone. He walks with you. His rod protects you. His staff guides you. His presence is your comfort. And even in that valley, He prepares a table for you, right there, in the presence of everything that threatens you. He says, stop, sit, rest, eat. You are safe with me. Your cup doesn't just have enough. It runs over. It spills out, abundant in the midst of the wilderness. And the promise at the end? Goodness and mercy won't just visit you occasionally. They will follow you, chase you, pursue you all the days of your life, because you belong to the house of the Lord, not just for a season, forever. Let's close with a simple prayer. Lord, thank You for being my shepherd. Thank You that I am never lost, never forgotten, never alone. When I walk through dark valleys, remind me that You are there. When I am afraid, let me feel Your presence. Restore my soul tonight. Lead me beside still waters, and let me rest in the safety of Your love. Amen. If this brought you peace, stay for just a moment. Let the music carry you further into rest. And if you need more comfort, we have many more psalms waiting for you. Until next time, may you dwell in the house of the Lord.